What does it take to create a culture of excellence and reliability in the workplace? Today, we'll explore the critical topic of personal accountability and responsibility. At GenFab, we also feel we need to have empathy for each other. In the next few minutes, we'll delve into the essential principles and strategies that empower individuals to take ownership of their actions and outcomes. Let's begin.
Personal accountability and responsibility in the workplace refer to the commitment and willingness of individuals to take ownership of their tasks, decisions, and contributions. It involves recognizing the impact of one's actions on the team and organization, and actively seeking solutions and improvements. At GenFab, we like to say, "I've got your back." We want to make sure we have empathy and care for your personal needs while we work with you to be the best version of yourself that you can be. This is how we build trust by meeting commitments to our team members.
At GenFab, we strive for a balance between accountability and empathy. If we have neither accountability or empathy, then it's a nightmare for everyone involved. Without accountability, people are not held responsible for their actions, which can lead to chaos and conflict. Without empathy, the workplace turns into an impersonal, rigid environment where people's feelings are neglected, a surefire recipe for low morale and turnover. At GenFab, we believe that a healthy working environment cultivates both these values. We strive to hold everyone accountable for their actions, while also understanding and caring for their individual needs, emotions, and circumstances. We want our team to feel seen, heard, and valued, while also knowing what is expected of them. This balance creates a positive, productive space where employees can thrive.
Let's acknowledge common pain points that arise without a culture of personal accountability and responsibility, such as lack of ownership, which leads to missed deadlines and unmet expectations. Blame shifting and finger pointing, hindering collaboration and morale. And last but not least, inefficient workflows and decreased productivity due to unclear responsibilities. Let's explore a step-by-step guide to foster personal accountability and responsibility. Step 1. Set clear expectations. Define roles, responsibilities, and performance expectations for each team member. Communicate goals and outcomes to ensure everyone understands their contributions. Step 2. Encourage ownership. Empower individuals to take ownership of their tasks and projects. Provide autonomy and support, allowing team members to make decisions. Step 3. Foster open communication. Create an environment where team members can openly discuss challenges. Encourage sharing lessons learned and seeking help when needed. In addition to being evaluated on your cultural alignment and technical competencies, we also evaluate several competencies to drive accountability. Let's explore a step-by-step guide to foster empathy. Step 1. It's not about you. Take a walk in their shoes. In order to care for others and show empathy, you have to move past thinking about yourself. It's not about you. It is about the one team, and you are part of that, but so are others. We want to make sure we acknowledge that everyone brings value to our team. Take a walk in their shoes and understand where they are coming from. Step 2. Encourage collaboration. Build partnerships and work with others to meet shared goals. Sometimes you will disagree. That's all right. The key is to have discussions where we respect each other and understand we all have unique perspectives. Positive conflict where we work to have a win-win is often how we find new solutions together. Step 3. Fanatical focus on the customer. Create an environment where team members can rally around the customer's needs. Without the customer, we do not exist. We win when they win. We balance this with an assessment of how you are doing showing empathy for your team members. Want some pro tips on how to cultivate personal accountability and responsibility? First, lead by example. Model accountability in your own actions and decisions as a leader. Show vulnerability by acknowledging mistakes and taking corrective action. Next, provide feedback. Offer constructive feedback to help individuals recognize areas for improvement. Acknowledge efforts and accomplishments, reinforcing a culture of responsibility. And finally, embrace continuous learning. Encourage ongoing learning and skill development to enhance individual capabilities. Promote a growth mindset that values learning from successes and setbacks.
By understanding and applying these principles, you can contribute to a thriving workplace culture and drive exceptional results. Thank you for joining us in this video guide on personal accountability and empathy, and see you in the next video.